Taking a little blizzard snack break. See the orange bucket, the sluice right in front of it in the water. The massive amounts of water that's flowing through here is unreal. That's kind of why I knew there was gold here. Inside bank. River rock everywhere. An island of heavies. What more could you ask for? And yeah, the blizzard. And the beast that gets me out here. 5 miles to the gallon, but it does it. I can go where there's snow, and most of the time where not four-wheel drive or not all-wheel drive vehicles can get there. It is all-wheel drive, so it does pretty well. That's probably why it costs so much in fuel. But I'm gonna finish eating this, not talk to you while I'm eating. I'm out. Enjoy the blizzard if you're here. If you're not, enjoy not having a blizzard. Either way, catch you in a little while.